Yameti phone in Aquaba in Fambra, Akro Live. So, and then we'll share our Facebook, Akro Live, Samsung, YouTube channel, no, Akro Live GH. And then on the 6th of August 2020. Now, the CNO, your AKROPONG, wouldn't say, under the Electoral Commission, the voter registration exercise, the last phase, to go our Ghana, Hanona, Upimu, AKROPONA. You shall say on the 1st of August, Ebepimene. Na yaba propi akwa the various polling stations na neno yejina impeniase electoral area na we piem we kropona ye campaigniase obia eni useni impeniase esifa etina we piem impeniase electoral area na there were 3 polling stations ewo hanom na mpempenia yejina demonstration primary A polling station na eni the reports no if you at the ebro na we piem ewo hanom menshera enhu nipa na se ni no dikiwa Okako register. Me just say bia and then akwa last day nipa no edikan aba register na ye be fam na fe so no ye ni nipa ni bia edila akwa register na kasa sanso na isi official so no ye betu aba on e bisa won say na akwa last day no sen ana niama esifa ekwa eno so no ene ne ekwa ye de every life Facebook eno so no ye akwa life me ka say din a wo de frame me no nana kwame amponsa edi ekoponde se ba kona ene no ma me betu aba me ma me ba kwa ono no to see an register we and then sir and I registered it out, yes. And it's like my kind of card about or register. Our hand was also polling station coordinator at the new patriotic party the MPP. Maybe so now registration exercise from day one film and then saying on Sifa registration exercise ups and downs of any difficulties our as a polling station coordinator. The new patriotic party. Mami, bibi awoko.
Nami adom biya boko.
Mami bisa wane una a polling station coordinator ewa hanum the new patriotic party. From the 1st of August, AKUAPEM and the 6th of August, registration exercise, akoso. Uhun is then nedi council we boarding at church fansa.
Medin de Benedict of AKROPONG will be no be any so feminine nana. Say 51st August no bepemo sabri no yen face challenge bia because yen ankasa ye wo krom han constituency ani ni senior political registration and political games nete nti no yande yan ha ye ni problem bia bi obi a register ekoso so fefefe but day 5 days in the na nkrofo ba more but then I say it slow kakra but I didn't say into no time so into ni time say obeba more na me didn't say ebe 6 na de na nya nipa na more
mami mbisa wona ya coordinator e wa hanom party agents any one my report be edifa registration no day one want me register nipa ya na say day one be pemene so far nipa hin ana motimi register na nipa ne bade. And I say, and then after last day, no be the kind register compared previous days, compared to and then nipa no eba.
Oh, waba but and this a previous one, waba and kakra. Na me tell say, more 6 ya 1 point yen into you. Do actually, but yara.
Mami bisa BM this year registration akoso. Or to compare the previous years, and then registration exercise on koso. Difference room then and I feel ni pan be register more compared to previous years now and I say and I feel no one back.
Oh, I feel no akwa we say dodo na register wo electoral office for into no and to say previous years no but me hope say what there is a honom no figure na be ka ho a say AKROPONG constituency never quite more than previous years no.
I answer the major no. Una oda MPP ano ewo electoral area ha. Na agents no buy no. Why complaints bi ama mo hwe won ye bibia e kama.
Oh, bibia e kama nyame adum ye hwe kra hwe ndisi fo no kra ka ho. Ye bibia fefefe. Yen won didia ye nche na mutine bibia akoso ye bibia ye kra bia ye ma won bi yen won ye bibia se nuanom ba ko
na ne kra mu no den na abaka che MPP supporters awo AKROPONG.
Oh America so be a non register. Na abato no dusu yanko ne nkoto aban. Ne yanko so yamfa na nakufu ado. Na MP enko sene na because yan AKROPONG krom hande yenye nyim. Ntoko oni yemu. Enye na edisi fo no kura dodo no kura ka kire mi se enye dan a wo beto am MPP ntino. Yenim se still ayed na nakufu ado obekọ. Yo, edisi fo no babu ya na ed nakọ. Sa na wo kanen.
Atintiane no me ma me ba kona otene nka no ono no the New Patriotic Party MPP amo electoral area coordinator and no otene nka se odinso no edi na enu asem edi bro o chire mu se o compare this year registration to the previous ones na I say afi na form kaka na emum no nipa no bi nso timi ko register our electoral commission office ntene o je di se sa nipa no wode wondin ne beka na wa no wode da na ebekosoro ewo hono ma ne so wa chiwo mu se asomdwe ewo police station hanoma ene ni basabasa yese ne yete wo police stations ahoro na ne kuro ahoro so no we pie mu ha bibia nso no fine ewo sa electoral area ha aha no empenia say electoral area na mo police station a yegina sisi ano demonstration primary A hono ene no yegina bibia nso no kama na ebo awrem na fe nso no mahwe se ne bibia process no esifa ete ewo hanoma na ene no say electoral officials no so no ewo ha protocol so no yes bibia nso no kama edima obia wo ha no obepie mu ha na ansa na obewura mu no Veronica bucket ewo ha obewo hye nsa kama sanso na yebene no thermometer gun no so ha obecheck o temperature na afin so no bibia fine ansa na obewura ki nu ankasa no obe make sure say o hye o face mask and as face shield na afin so no bibia fine na sanitizer no so na ne mpanyifo so no etimi di nyama gu akon obe sanitizer o kama na ansa na watima join ki so watimi abe register na bibia so no fine area ama ho na ube pie mu ha na no say mountain no obi set ho na ma one vest ene no penifo de ma bibia so no social distance no so no adwuma ho na ma electoral commission as officials na wa no nyame no kar ma me bon abaso won ya di pa ene no umbeto basabasa ye ho na ma presiding officer ho na no so no o make sure say ene no obi so betimi comport no na bibia so no fine ho no ene no bigina demonstration primary ano ya impenia say electoral area and ene no me no mokasa nti ene no uhu se ne yakoso wa na bibia fine we should presiding officers make sure say bibia be kama wa officials on Saturday as it watching say ene no nipa ne beba na fence no wantima register no obi ansan so no etimi aka ne card na presiding officer ma yati as say ene no wonsi obi an kwan ne nya say we 18 years and above na fence no sebe wajumu down na oba na ukra Ghana card na fence no passport a wetima hwe no one register sanso na ene no nkwa passport and Ghana card na unya nipa tu awo card ni we de da na with my guarantee ama na bibia so no fine ama wo ntene yara so AKROPONG AKUAPEM the final phase of the voter registration exercise and no ekoso AKROPONG no empenia say electoral area and ene yara report no ebra wo hanma yedi kan akopie mu PTC demonstration primary A honum ene no yegina na yemfi honum ne nkopie mu PTC demonstration primary B is an say impenia say electoral area no polling stations makoma ko bi san and ene no hanuma yanso no yade ama won cause PTC primary A primary B and afin no PTC demonstration JHS and say another polling station ni nyina no impenia say electoral area hanuma nso no ene electoral commission for no make sure say bibia nso no ebetima kama ama won na we kan ka che no Akro Life so and ene yade jumadi no ebra wo no uko Facebook Akro Life ho no obe like page no na fin so wa share na fin nipa no so no ehu niama ekoso AKROPONG sanso na yen YouTube channel no Akro Life GH ano so no kwa videos ahoro na ho no so no wetima akɔhwɛ na bibia so no etimi akoso area ma meka o say ne no the voter registration exercise no the last phase no and the last day no AKROPONG AKUAPEM especially AKROPONG township no ne no yegina mpenia se election area hanuma so na meka che no ne yo 3 polling stations ana sa election area name PTC primary ano no A sanso na B sanso na demonstration JHS ano so na the third polling station ano no the impenia se election area na mpempe ameno kasa no mijina PTC primary ana se demonstration primary B hono ana uhu o mechi kama ene no the electoral commission for no so no abo 1/10 kama wa hyehyɛ niama ho ne no obepie mu hanma obewo hye Veronica bucket no wonu se ne no planifo ayen hyehyɛ a esi wo no jansa na be join queue no oh show sa ɛwɔ hɔ no ma nsa na afei nso no wahyɛ wo face mask come on na watumi ajoin ne queue na wabɛpie mu queue no mu deɛ a wɔbɛmake sure sɛ wɔbɛcheck wo temperature sɛne ɛbɛyɛ ne nkɔfa ɔhaw bi amfa mbrɛ electoral commission mpanyinfo ɛwɔ hanom saa nso na sanitizer no wɔbɛtumi de agu sɛ na biribia nso no atumi ayɛ fine ɛde ama nsa na wajoin ne queue no na afei nso particulars a ɛho hia na ɛsɛ na ɛfata sɛ wobɛtumi de aregister no nso no watumi ada no di ɛde ama electoral commission na biribia nso no ayɛ kama ɛwɔ hɔ no na m'akyi ha no ɛyɛ dɛ PTC demonstration primary B ɛhɔnom na sisi ano wɔn ti a ne voter registration exercise no nso no etumi ɛkɔ so a na bɛpie ma electoral commission officials no yes obiara make sure sɛ ɔbɛhyɛ ne face mask ɛwɔ hɔnom na biribia nso no ayɛ kama ɛne wɔn make sure sɛ registration no nso no ɛbɛtumi akɔ so a na the various parties no nso no wɔn agents ɛwɔ ha no wɔn sɛ Ghana ha no bɛpie mu ha ɛde two main political parties no wɔn na registration yi wɔn agye mu ntintim a wɔn make sure sɛ biribia nso no ɛbɛtumi ayɛ kama the new patriotic party no one agent no nso no asanse the National Democratic Congress NDC nso no ɛyɛ agent no nso no ɛwɔ ha no ma mprempren no wɔn ti ase no wɔn make sure sɛ biribia nso no ɛbɛtumi akɔ so kama yɛn no obi a no wɔresisi obia biribia nso no bɛyɛ kama ɛwɔ ha no yɛn no hu abrante baako ɔmɛkyɛn a ne nsa tumi aka ne card a agent ɛde ma the new patriotic party no nso no take details into ɛyɛ ne books ɛna ɛbɛyɛ a daakye no okopie mu ɛwɔ the party office na ɔno nso bɛtumi akyerɛ deɛ kɔɔ so ɛwɔ the electoral area na anase the polling station ɛne mpanyinfo no nso no ɛde no ɛto nti ɛne dwumadi ɛne no ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ hanom na mɛhwɛ sɛ ne menyo bi na afei nso no mene no adi nkɔmmɔ sɛne ɛbɛyɛ nneɛma nso no ɛbɛtumi akɔ so kama ɛde ama mpaniase electoral area yes the mpaniase electoral area sɛne meka kyerɛ no yɛwɔ 3 polling stations ɛwɔ hanom yɛwɔ demonstration primary A demonstration primary B ana afei nso no GHS no nso no ɛwɔ hanom nti ne mpanyinfo na movie centers ne nyinaa bɛbɔ mu ɛwɔ hanom sɛne registration no nso no ɛbɛtumi akɔ so ɛwɔ hanom na ɛne no Misaka, the National Democratic Congress rep, back on so Hanama, many Babidi, and Komo, Erafa, the entire registration exercise from day one, monitoring in a AKROPONG AKUAPEM, then I know who Nyama, Esify, our Hanama, Babi Bisan, San Commoning, Sanson, Finsuno, security wise, at the same protocols of Mampenini, His Excellency, Nana, the Danko Kufadono, Edugu Akwemono, then Otifa, Ehun, Sanson Electoral Commission protocols are. What do you go akwe no ono so no ehu ene den ewo mini abibi awoko
nyame adom ne mompaibo ye ho
obebo din era che etiefo
okay me pa che friend me be bright me part of the monitoring team. I monitor the entire exercise at AKUAPEM North constituency for the party NDC.
Oh, okay. And so far so good. From day one on the 1st of August, the seat of August, you know, occurrence. Oh,
okay, yeah, for the time being, you know, on my tour, I'm within the constituency, you know. My fan say it's somehow okay. It is not 100%, but it's somehow okay. Because when you go to some of the registration centers, yeah, things are okay. But when you go to others, things are somehow not okay. So there are little lapses. Registration exercise near monitoring. So far, my monitor from Okrasi, which is the baby AKUAPEM North started through to Osabene Eba, the Ababefa Tekonta, Ababefa Tinkone ni enclaves, Komangwase, Maba Adoso Monoko, Mekombabosumase also, Internet and then so me were AKROPONG, AKUAPEM Ahinkrunum. So Mako baby baby, but Niama Kono, as I have already said, no, Niama no be a bin so hard, Niama be enketing be touch my baby. I'll edge the EC, say next time around, no, they have to up the game because they are lapses at home. But so far things are okay.
Okay, Mami Mr. OBM, that the National Democratic Congress NDC, Master Bakwana, Moka registration is starting in there. I'm out for Bassi and Crawford intimidation from the security personnel. Now, they around some almost be a Bassi will be at another polling station, and I say security personnel be intimidated. Most supporters and some party agents or AKROPONG.
AKROPONG AKUAPEM North constituency monitoring na mekoye no. There's only one branch, and I may encounter Osadi no. But out of baby I'm calling in one registration center and I may encounter Osadi no.
And I know then of course.
I don't know what went there and said the people there were being challenged. Said they are not bearing a card name, you know. They are not part of AKUAPEM not, so they won't allow them to register. And it is very, very pathetic because the media yedia and she share one home brow. And then she share my tia says, who says will be any eligible. You go to the EC officials, no what take a challenge form, then you challenge the person. But approaching the person, say, whoa, my own register on the basis to say the names you bear and it does not conform to the names of this constituency. Then me who say bibi kakra lacking or honum. And then I believe say the EC together with our internal security, police personnel, they will take charge, even though they are on course, but they are lapses, and if there's an exercise of this sort, they have to up their game.
Okay. Another one, Mami Bissau. Before the exercise, you team paying for baby. The voter registration exercise and muscle won't me yet. And then the last day, is making sure say the exercise never cost so our mind kunkunganemo. And easy. Move ending.
Yo, me that's it. Somewhere in here, papa. Na somewhere I bed here. Me jiri say Ghana for nyina at the NDC as party Ghana for nyina de abo be mine. Esan say ye can send bebre. Ama aban ni electoral commission say there be san samone de enya nokre ye hororo haran semwa nokre bi enim na emba nsa. But so what one kasa one monitor registration exercise na across the length and breadth of this country. I believe, sir, as a media man, and we have witnessed what is going on in certain constituencies, certain registration centers, and certain districts, and as far as this entire country is concerned. Internet and no extra ejinaso esisudiase niana NDC yakano. Now, EC4 has proven NDC right. One EC. Estati yese niema ojina so se obabe new registration is also the voter register is bloated with certain constituencies they presume say there are so many people names on the register. It doesn't reflect the colors on the grounds. But me no be dance say this registration has proven that caught the statement they use and the bab rock that no use to say enunti and year registration enye no kre nti no afen so niam bia na ye keka say this time ayewo there are so many needs for us to cater for the lives of the people no one kasa o hese na cost na registration centers ne be safety protocols no kra and this I can tell you within the AKROPONG North constituency there are certain areas here vexity na even you can say tissues ne na sefo nyina available. As a party we have to support because we are all supporting the cause of the Ghana and on the yankasa easy dia santini yebe jama ma timemufo no akọ amaniemo because ho tochima ye nyina nso ye ho atochima we are protecting the people, so we supply tissues. But this is some of the critical issues we were talking about. And this exercise wow share, let me give you critical example. What is happening in K2 South. The military is there, they are protecting everybody not to tamper with the border. But as you are aware, the numbers coming out from K2 South, as compared to the voter register of 2016, and almost say bloated by Togolese. What is it? Numbers even getting higher than what was within our 20 register. Into Togolese are now almost infiltrating and register now. This EC was made mention of, so you see, this happens to be what NDC we are complaining about. So registering your bloated. Say the ruling MPP, communication directors, they are now changing the argument to say they didn't. The EC and them did never say the register is bloated. I learned you are aware of this statement, but you are aware and so said that is the bedrock that they use, that the register is bloated and they have to clean it up. Internet, what has changed? What has changed? So this is some of the issues that we have to sit down and analyze it critically. I am a regional communication team member, so always I am on the airwaves. Niaya can say, no, we have to sit as a country, reason together. No matter our party affiliations, we are all building Ghana. When there is no Ghana, there is no MPP, there is no NDC. So when we are building Ghana, we have to come to consensus and say, whatever we are doing, we have Ghana first. On that note, we all put ourselves together to champion the cause of Ghana. And Tinia Mr. say, all these divisions, EC registration, and then they are changing the topics and they are changing the dynamics from bloated register, and now we don't know what they are saying anymore. And in the we should all keep Ghana in mind, and then we should all make sure, whatever we do will benefit Ghana, but it will not benefit our selfish interest or our selfish political party interest. Nemo na benefit Ghana. So one can say issues I was listening to our president now or addressing Crawford our Ashanti region. Then he made mention say, until say there's any issues as far as this registration exercise is concerned, say bibia da nakwemu yensi obi akwan ho ye say a man register. But maybe some of the people of the media, can you people confirm what the president say? Because some of the reports, some of the areas say we are not there. We are here. We get the report from through the media. Into more media men those videos, any audios, any interviews, any Bontino. Are you people telling us that you sit in your room, cook the story and bring it out? You people did not sit in your room and cook the story and bring it out. So what the president say and what is actually happening? Is the president contradicting Ghanaians, or he's telling the truth? You see, this is hard time. Baby or minor do no. We have to champion the cause of the state, not the cause of our individual interest. And in the NDC, MPP, CPP, other political parties, all that we want to do is to build a better Ghana for Ghanaians to live in. So if that is the case, we have to have the country at heart, so that all our actions and we do our doings will reflect the true nature of the whatever the country is about. And then kakra metumi akafa hono no.
Okay. Finally, then I will catch NDC supporters and I think so the way forward of the National Democratic Congress.
Well, Medawasibium, Namekache NDC supporters need the way forward for the National Democratic Congress, and they say, one count command to your muyum. As I say, Sene Yenina no, or Mampeni John Dramani Mahama, Ena or no, Wakukuru Ghana Esim Pempensua, Yenina Yenim say. We were swinging into the developed state, and not yenina krivu or maimu. Set Niamabe to turn aquemu, na Ghana for a yetimemo for enya fahundi mapa, no menya intiase mapa, no menya or do adiama or mino, and a fufian twata, and a jar abayi MPP abayi, and in another na then running mate Baumia. Womoki kan sem bebre kan semwa na yenyina ye hunu so san sem ne de ene sa na omo be ye ne de be bo man na omo to aba e ma omo bai but ne omaba 3.5 years into the administration, they are almost done with their 4 years. We can see what they have offered. Intinisi ye na ye ni oma offer ene esunsun sanso a ede ma oman no ene baby a ede oman ne be kwakọ wie no ye nyina ye ni tua antini amesre NDC for ni Ghana for nya NDC for Ghana for say ye siesie oman no esisi ye nya obi a odo no bedwe no oman no ho kane na wama bibia obeye bia ebe reflect the interest of the people of the state. Intini ni ameka ni nyina say muma ye nyina ene eye the last registration day no we issue issue statement said there will be more pap muma ye nyina yan sorry yan register ye nyina no yan ko register na yenya voter ID card na come 7 December no na yan konto aba ema eye yenwura John Mahama na ene ni Jenana na wonfa NDC aban embra na niama pa ene anisoade hunu eye John Dramani Mahama wo so obe build the country no amana reflect the interest of the people no wetumi a reflect na enye yemampeni eye president na nado a oka asem se obeye we a na he's doing the opposite ya baya he was tattooing say NDC we always lie on tribalism now so ene what can it be say about this government and now osha aban yimum and na registration po and na oye tribal way ethnocentrism or kasi oh ye wo krobinu so ho no moko na se wo bo udin na se wodin and reflect say aklonu so a na che se wo ya kania na se frafra ni na se grumania ye ma won register na ye ma won register kwa ye mfa kwan pa no so ma won register eno ne se ye pia mo si nche enti ne yesere ne se wo mo beto aba e de NDC ene John Dramahama ade aba no no ne de oyo obi onyiyi mu no onsemo no mo okom nyina bom ne yesiesi oman no omo de na aba na wetumi aba bebo ama Ghana fa ne ntoma pefra.
All right, Maminda Minia Bright, I say, on a member of the National Democratic Congress, communication team of the Eastern Region, no, and you know, what an encounter from the Impenias lecture area, and also no, Eddie Nenum, Eddie Atuga, Eddie for the registration exercise, and it also. Our Ghana has also a AKROPONG exercise, and also also a course one. I mean, Saka, many about one, so no, many Baby Dim Como, area for registration exercise, a course and maybe Sunny other face position or hoodie or the lecture area and I face the AKROPONG and I face no, maybe some registration exercise, no, from day one, at the PMNS, saying I was if I exercise, no, at the Alpha. If you have a call, Udin any position or hoodie or AKROPONG.
Yeah, do the names for Fem and Apoko. If you're AKROPONG, you may were demonstrating prime. Hey, secretary
of the MPP, the new patriotic party.
Yeah.
Mami Mr. So far so good from day one. I have a PIM and then when I was secretary over this, your friend is a polling station, you know. Near to them, be able to exercise or not.
If you say Saturday, no, if you say, I be seen. You only say, Yame, I am you matwa program no akoso fefe the woman say turn down in the yellow kakra the woman say we start to register bi no mo council mpanyimfo no bi ni ade nti na me hu ni say won a edi mpanyimfo no de won kono wotimi register nti no wotimi say nama no nipa no bebre register kakra na two police stations no bi wo ma won a chem na no money exceed 1000 nti ba wo be ma wochiche ma wo ye bi ka ho ne ade nti no be hu say fa kwan na first na nka ho choke no te say no level kakra bibia akoso fine nti nyame adom bibia akoso fine amaye
mami bisa we make around to no station was the MPP bossing for one of his minor what the one ba am ha sa na tin
oh no cause am say bi oni pa call cause na bi adai bi no so ye hu bibisa AKROPONG since 92 a wo ye bibia we AKROPONG no every police station bia obebe bia no would say bibia systematically bibia koso pepepe asunwe kwanso both NDC MPP agent no we are cordial would say niama koso ye mayen nti no bibisa wote ne de se no hu enya no kware yeah
and so as a secretary adema I the demonstration primary A no we find out then I will catch MPP supporters and in all electoral area for registration exercise nothing so the upcoming voting exercise na be cost on the 7th of December no
yo na meka ne say nyame ayen adom em say ne da ye di twato a ye be ye register yesra ne say MPP fu ya wo polling station ha ene MPP fu titire wo AKROPONG krom ha AKUAPEM entirely AKROPONG north no constituency no yemfa nkabom ne odo na ne mi wetim na waka nko yentu enu nyina nwu nchen ne yemfa odo ne biakoye inya adwuma no na nkunimde na ereba 7 December no ayeye ndi a adwuma pa na Akufo Addo ne mpanyini aye ama Ghana no na ntuaso no nso enkoso mayen yenya ya asumdie
mina mama ndawa se wadwun che ni no wabeche ere ama nipa no erefa the voter registration exercise and I think so the new patriotic party no dimini outin nka no the secretary Impenias electoral area now one of the polling stations on the secretary Emma Wong home tene no obepie mu the Impenias electoral area now say I catch you no there were 3 polling stations and hanom there were demonstration primary A demonstration primary B and I think so demonstration JHS then you know utu when if you say demonstration primary A no was also na hano the demonstration primary B Mr. First no the demonstration primary and I said and I know so no I want my name penny for making sure say the bia so no ebetimi aye kama wahana and then make sure me time na say enche na no nim abo nti electoral commission for barely 1 hour to register nipa na ebeba na but what me who say nipa na ba na mo say na electoral commission for my ascertain is ori kan registration exercise ni the electoral commission officer and also nipa ni bi so no etimi be register no so na when say no electoral commission for the some about 2 as a mob up exercise and also no ebetimi akoso nti ni say nipa ni register akwa me me na question no exercise and also no ebetimi akoso no na ni obekọ the district office no na ayo district ni na fi so no wako register nti ni no on the east officials and also I know we make sure to report na I don't know we betimi actual our harmony na fi so no the polling agents so no ahro na so no era so our harmony you know the polling agents the New Patriotic Party MPP so na the National Democratic Congress no agents no so no ha bibia so kama enye toko asem wo so ba ha na bibia boko ani no wa odididi won nkoma ani no yes obi a kire na agin kakra fa niama ekoso ha enye toko ekopon de se na wonum ye no asumje ana fin so no bibia so no boko ha no nti no ene no ye de besi but me culture say time so mo de yo 1 hour yere be registration center no o fie na ene no on register ya botimi akọ polling station won potem na fin so no akọ na akọ register na bibia so no kama no okwa make sure say ne obefa you no smart account so na wudu hono ma make sure say be wo so nsa na bibia so no kama na emu no e ma refin say Ghana card yes Ghana card no na card na wode ma no ano ana wode be ko uni bin sa na o passport a obetimi akọ na uni sa ni ama ebien ya make yin so na open nipa benu eni no want to register the no akọ guarantee ama na bibia so no kama ntene no oda ngwa ni chiem kopon ekafima the final phase of the voter registration exercise in the course so kopon ana eni no yede abroad the Piniasi election area yes 3 polling stations and one demonstration primary A demonstration primary B and after demonstration GHS and then yede jumedi no efi ho abroad make us Akro Live bit ma on Facebook so na YouTube channel no Akro Live GH also kwa bit ma bibia na bibia kama na yeko no ame fast da kese informative barbering shop so na any man advertising won na any woso ya simedi jumedi no so no ebreo ekropon AKUAPEM precisely no Piniasi election area and edi jumedi no so no ebreo medin na na kwame amponsa edi ekropon de shibako ya fancy na fin so no jumedi no aka no ento aso mfama o uchumka